practice hiccups. Before we practice for the concert, we should warm up our voices, don't you think, Louise?
That's a good idea, Ruby. I'll start. La 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 la. Your turn, Ruby. Ready?
Ready. La la.
Monster.
I'm sorry, Max. I can't help you find your monster mask right now. Louise and I have to practice for the concert. Keep looking. I'm sure you'll find it.
Ready to try again?
Ready. La la la. Excuse me, Louise.
That's okay. Let's try again.
La 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 la.
I think you've got a case of...
The hiccups. Oh no! How are we gonna practice for the concert?
Monster?
Max, I can't help you find your monster mask. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Try to think where you left it, Max.
We need to find you a cure.
We'll check the big book of home remedies. It's over here. Let's see. Coughs, fever. Here it is. Hiccups. Maybe you should read it, Louise.
I think you're right. Hiccups. There are 4 cures for hiccups. 1. Hold your breath for as long as you can. 2. Hang upside down. 3. Drink a glass of water. 4. Scare them away. Let's try cure number 1, holding your breath for as long as you can.
Okay.
Keep holding it in, Ruby. Monster!
Oh no, that didn't work at all.
Monster!
I'm sorry, Max. I don't know where your monster mask is. There are lots of toys outside. Why don't you play with one of them?
Monster? Well, cure number 1 didn't work.
That's for sure.
Why don't we try cure number 2, hanging upside down?
I'll try anything. Where should I do it?
How about over there on the chair?
Okay. Like this, Louise?
Perfect. Now let's try singing again. La 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 la. Now you sing, Ruby.
La 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 la. Oh no, it's not working. How am I ever gonna get rid of these hiccups?
Monster!
I can't help you, Max. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Max, there are other ways to play monster. If you look in your room, you'll find lots of other stuff to play monster with.
Any luck?
I don't think so.
So much for cure number 2.
Right.
Let's try cure number 3, drinking a glass of water.
All right. monster? Monster!
The book says you have to drink the whole glass of water all at once.
I hope this works. What was that?
It came from upstairs.
Roar! 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 Max, what do you think you're doing dragging your sheet all over the place? Monster! Max, I can't play monster with you right now. I'm still hiccuping. Come on, Louise. We've tried 3 cures and none of them worked.
And there's only one more.
What is it? I forget. Monster!
Cure number 4. Scare them away.
But how are you going to scare me if I know you're going to try?
Grrr!
Ah! Grandma! What are you doing with that mask?
Max left it at my house, and I thought he might be looking for it. I hope I didn't scare you too much.
Scare me?
Ruby, your hiccups are gone.
Grandma, you scared my hiccups away with your monster mask.
Not my monster mask.
Monster!